Hi, I'm Joshua Swift, a certified arborist with Extreme Tree Company. Today's job is in Tall Oaks neighborhood in Blacksburg, Virginia. We're removing a hazardous cherry tree with a crane using two climbers, and I will show you a video here of how we do it. First step is to put the climber in position here with the crane. He's going to clear out an area, and our second step is to bring another climber to hook up the crane to the cable, the branch to the cable. Once the cable is hooked up, the climber is going to rappel to the ground, and we'll make our cut here and lift the piece out and put it in the drop zone here. And that was the job.